Welcome to Trickey's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Trickey will show you how to make an easy chicken curry. This is a warm and inviting chicken curry packed with flavor and spice and is ready in minutes. It makes a great midweek meal for the family to enjoy, so let's get started with the ingredients. These are the ingredients for preparing the easy chicken curry. The method: heat oil in a wok, then add in the cumin seeds, bay leaves and the cinnamon sticks and fry. Now drop in the finely chopped onions and continue to fry. Fry the onions for several minutes. Then add in the garlic paste and the ginger paste and continue to fry. Add in the green chilies and fry well until the onions turn soft and light brown. Then add in the tomatoes and salt and fry well. Please note, you can use ground or pureed tomatoes instead of the chopped tomatoes for a better texture. Then cover and simmer for a couple of minutes. Then open and fry until the onions and tomatoes are soft and all the water evaporates. Fry the onions and tomatoes really well until soft and mushy so that the gravy turns out to be of a smooth texture. Then add in all the powdered ingredients. That's the Kashmiri Chilli Powder, Coriander Seed Powder, Cumin Seed Powder, Turmeric Powder, Chicken Masala Powder and Garam Masala Powder. Fry well for several minutes until the oil separates. You can use any chicken masala powder or chicken curry masala powder of your choice. Then drop in the chicken pieces and continue to fry. Fry the chicken on medium to high heat for a couple of minutes. Then add in the hot water. Please note, you can add the required amount of water to adjust the consistency of the dish to your liking. Bring the dish to boil. Then cover and simmer for 10 to 12 minutes or until the chicken is cooked. Then open and mix. Drop in the dried fenugreek leaves and the chopped green coriander leaves. Make sure you crush the fenugreek leaves before using it and give it a good mix. Then taste, add pepper powder and salt as required. Drop in the capsicum and the red chilies. Please note, the use of capsicum is optional. You can use boiled potatoes instead. Mix. Then cover and simmer for a couple of minutes until done. Lastly, garnish with chopped green coriander and serve hot with naan bread, onions and lemon slices, or any other accompaniment of your choice. And there you have it, an inviting and easy chicken curry ready in minutes and a great midweek meal for the family to enjoy. So thank you for stopping by. Do hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Trickey's Kitchen has lots of other delicious recipes that you would like to try out. So be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video, and subscribe to Trickey's Kitchen if you haven't yet for more delicious recipes.